Alright guys, welcome to Tech 111. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you new feature that CapCut just released, and this feature, trust me guys, is a game-changing feature. Professional CapCut editors, they find this feature amazing because why? These are the features that we have been waiting for. So these features, they've made CapCut improved and better. So I'm just going to quickly show you what these features are and what they can do. Please, before we proceed, just help me click that subscribe button over there if you've not subscribed to my channel, and also do well to like this video. Thank you. Okay, so let's just go over. So as you can see, I have two video clips right here, one at this timeline over here and the other at the second. And I recorded this video from two different cameras at different position. So normally if I want to edit this, I have to start cutting and merging and overlaying, doing all of those stuff. But guess what? CapCut just say that no, I don't have to be doing that anymore. They are going to be doing the work for me. So that's our number one feature that I'm going to be showing you, which is joining multiple clips together. And guess what? It also automatically sync the audio of those clip together, so which makes your work very, very easy. So let's just go. First and foremost, you highlight the area where you want to merge, which I'm going to be doing right away. So I've highlighted the two text. Then you go over to one of the video and right click on it. Now when you right click on it, you can see all these in this tab that popped out. So we are going to create multi-camera clip. So for your own case, for most of you that are still using other version of CapCut, all you just have to do is to go over and upgrade your version, and you have this pop out here in case you don't have it when you right click. So you just upgrade your CapCut so you can have this feature because it's a new feature. So I'm just going to click on it. When I click on it, you see over here, I'm going to change this name. I'm going to change the name to children songs. Then I'll leave this at auto. So leaving this at auto, you are telling CapCut to, okay, help me do the audio syncing. I don't have time for that. So CapCut is going to hear that and they are going to help you do the audio syncing. So for the proxy, if you have a slow working system, I suggest you put this on so that your editing can go smoothly and faster. So when you are done with that, you just hit the create button and it will automatically sync your clips for you. Okay, as you can see, our syncing has been done. So this is so amazing. Wow. You can see everything has been synchronized, and I'm just going to play it so that you can hear that the audio has been synchronized. So let's listen.
There's no question now.
Okay, so if I want to, be showing a particular clip at a particular time, all I just need to do is to do this. Firstly, I'm going to play it now. So while the pointer is moving, I can switch to this video and it's automatically taking effect here. So now we are on clip 1. I can also switch to clip 2, which is automatically saving at this place here. So this is how the first feature works, and it works really cool, helping you multi-clip different cameras. Okay, now the second feature which I'm going to be showing you that CapCut just released is your track height. Now CapCut now allow us to increase our track height. So you can see this now. This becomes slimmer when I click the short, which makes it more shorter, so which allows you to see other things in the timeline. So you can also choose to increase it. For instance, you want to have a better view of this particular object in the timeline, so you can see it more broader. So that's that for your number 2 feature that's have just been released by CapCut. So going over to the number 3 feature, which is your audio waveform. Your waveform, let me just quickly keep this at default. Now CapCut now allows you to increase your audio waveform, which helps give you a better view of the wave of your audio so that you can have a better editing. So I'm just going to keep this at 60%. So you can see at 60% is looking bigger. I can also choose to keep it at 100%. At 100%, you can see the visual is gone, just the audio. So if by adventure you want to work on, the audio settings and editing, you can have a better view of the wave, and which will help you do a better. So friends, these are the new features that have just been released by